Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Feptiani Rahayu. In this occasion, I would like to present my research proposal in this proposal seminar. The title is The Effect of Using Looping Strategy in Writing Ability on Descriptive Text at the First Grade of SMA IT Al-Ittihad Pekanbaru. According to Elbow, in 1998, looping is a way to get best of both worlds, both control and creativity. And another definition, according to Lecky in 1998, states that looping is similar to free writing, but it is more specific. And then writing ability, according to Noonan in 2003, in page 89, reveals that writing is used to show that students have mastered a particular grammatical rule, rather than have a good idea about the subject matter. There are three phenomena from this research. First is the lack of focus students between making themes and titles. In writing a text, the students cannot express their opinion about what they have read. The second is low vocabulary they have. The students are not able to know kinds of vocabulary in reading. And the third is they have low level of students' awareness to better understand English lessons. The problem of this research is only focused on the effect of using looping strategy in writing ability on descriptive text at the first grade of SMA IT Al-Ittihad Pekanbaru. Formulation of the problem. First, how is students' writing ability thought by using looping strategy in writing ability on descriptive text at the first grade of SMA IT Al-Ittihad Pekanbaru. The second, how is students' writing ability thought without using looping strategy at the first grade of SMA IT Al-Ittihad Pekanbaru. Last, is there any significant effect of using looping strategy in writing ability on descriptive text at the first grade of SMA IT Al-Ittihad Pekanbaru? The indicators of looping strategy, there are 5 indicators. First is the students can explore on ideas. The second, the students have goals in writing. The third, the students can improve their writing ability. The fourth is the students enjoy in writing activities. And the last is the students are asked to write as much as they can think about the topic until they get idea intended. And then the indicators of writing ability, there are 5. First is the students are able to think creatively and develop thoughts, excluding all irrelevant information. The second is the students are able to fluent their expression, ideas clearly, well organized, and logically sequenced. And the third is the students are able to write correctly using correct word, choosing of the word and idioms. And the fourth is the students are able to master a particular grammatical rule and have a good idea. And the last, the students are able to mastering in mechanic of the text. Method of the research. The design of this research is experimental research. According to Criswell in 2012, experimental is a quantitative research that requires the researcher to find out the significant effect between independent variable and dependent variable. The design of this research is variable X as looping strategy and variable Y as writing ability. The time observation this research is January until March in 2020, and the location at SMA IT Al-Ittihad Pekanbaru. Subject and object of the research. The subject of the research is the first grade of SMA IT Al-Ittihad Pekanbaru, and then the object of the research is the effect of using looping strategy in writing ability on descriptive text. Technique of data collection. The researcher will use test technique, pre-test and post-test. And then technique of data analysis. The scores will analyze by using statistical analysis. Then data will be analyzed by using t-test, independent sample t-test from 23 version SPSS. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.